Today I'm going to show you how to create a triangle in Photoshop. Your first step is to go over to the rectangle tool, and I want you to hold the button down until you see this menu pop up. The next step, you're going to select the polygon tool, and then you're going to go up here and you're going to change your size to 3. Okay, so mine is already at a default of 3, but you may have to come up here and change it to 3. Once you have added your size, you will then come down here into your space. Just hold down the shift key button and drag down your triangle until you have the size that you want. Now you don't have to drag out. Hold the shift key button down. You can actually just go down here and just drag it. This tutorial was helpful, and have a great day.